Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and for today's video, episode 11 na tayo ng My Husband is a Mafia Boss reaction video. And grabe, pa-intense na pa-intense. And we're on our halfway na talaga ng pa-end ng series na to. And feeling ko madami pang pasabag na mangyayari. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. Okay, ito na. Like, alam niyo, kahit kanino talaga i-partner si Joseph Marco. Sobrang may chemistry talaga siya kung kanino man siya napapartner. Aminin nyo, yung recent niya kay Heaven, kinilig din kayo. Grabe sila mag-fan service.
Tara, kain tayo.
Why are you stuttering, wife? May problema ba?
Wala. Gutom lang ako.
Gutom? Sige, sabi mo. Yung BBQ? Saan pa sugat niya?
Kasi, si Fiona pala, girlfriend mo. Uy, okay ka lang?
Ex-girlfriend.
Dati sa kape ka lang nasasamit ako ngayon, pati sa tubig.
Fiona was my girlfriend.
Past tense.
Kasi yung nagpunta siya dun sa ospital, sabi niya, girlfriend mo pala siya.
When she was there, did she do anything to you?
Wala. Mabait nga siya. Nag-offer pa siyang bantayan pa.
Did you
Pumayag.
let her?
Siyempre hindi, no?
Girl, that's the spirit. Kinilig si Dodong. Kinilig siya.
You bitch!
Pangalawa, kapag naiinis ka na tuwing lalapitan siya o kakausapin siya ng ibang babae, yun na yun.
Yun ang ka ba yun? In love na nga ba talaga ako kay Zeke?
Sobrang natural talaga niya rin. Ang ganda niya. Ay, kubo.
Isa mo nga dyan.
Ang laki lang ng bahay, tapos isa lang yung CR. Grabe yan! Ang ganda niya! Ang ganda niya! Mom! Bakit? Meron? Ang ganda-ganda niya! Natulala yan, Joseph. Natulala.
Mag-isa lang.
Ang ganda kasi niya. Sana all ganito ka fresh pag bagong ligo.
Kailangan ba siya na ulit sa ospital? Baka mamaya kung mapano na naman yun. Zeke, teka lang.
Oh, si Darling. Si Darling.
Zeke! Tulong! Please, tulong!
What's the matter?
Aww.
Che. Gusto mo maglakad?
Ganito pala hanapin yung mga signs ng in love.
Kasi, hindi kaya mangyari ulit yung nangyari last time.
I cannot promise you it won't happen again. But I can promise you that I will protect you the best I can.
Oh, that is so sweet. Reassuring your loved one na hindi na magyayari yung mga bagay na hindi natin kayang kontrolin. As much as possible, we want to be, paano bang tawag doon? Mas maingat. So, ang dami kasing hindrances. Magmamahal ka na lang. Kailangan ganito. Sweet.
Mali naman yung sinabi ni Louie, sinungaling. Hindi naman tumigil yung oras eh. Uy! Zig, wait lang!
Kailangan tumigil yung oras.
Kaya nga eh.
Oh.
Tapos, alis ito nila. Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Roswell. Mr. and Mrs. Roswell?
Gusto ko yung mga outfitan ni Amy.
Excuse me, Mr. Roswell?
I don't want to see your fucking face anymore.
You cannot fire an executive without any concrete evidence. On what you think I did?
Kasi, hindi ka pwede Mr. sabi ng doktor. Shh, ako na. Ako na bahala.
Tingnan natin.
Evidence. So it means there's a possibility that you are guilty. Okay, we will going to give you another chance to tell us the truth. Ikaw ba ang nagnakaw ng 100 million pesos?
I will not answer that. This is harassment.
I agree with the CFO. You cannot ask such questions in front of the entire board. That's unprofessional.
The fuck she doing?
Ka-stress. Bawal ma-stress. Stress na siya.
Let me remind all of you that you all work in Roswell Corporation. Roswell and my husband owns the company. And by interfering with his decisions, you are doing the company a great disservice. You should be all ashamed of yourselves. Kakagaling lang ng asawa ko sa operasyon. And as for you, I am giving you a lifetime suspension, Miss Sagwa.
It's Sigwa, you can't.
Yes, I can! Because I am the CEO's wife, and I am giving you a lifetime suspension. It doesn't violate anything in the bylaws.
That's my girl.
That's my girl.
But that's the same as firing me.
No, it's not. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-apply sa ibang kumpanya habang nagtatrabaho ka dito. Obligado ka pa rin gawin ang trabaho mo bilang CFO without bonuses, salary, which means
It's worse than firing.
That's my girl. That's my girl.
bakit ka natatawa? Wala namang nagja-joke. Alright, everyone. Let's stop wasting time and get on with the meeting, shall we?
This meeting is exclusively for important matters. You're not needed here.
This meeting is about the toy industry, which I'm helping your wife with, Ezekiel. Oh, tutulungan naman pala niya ako eh.
Oh, you don't know her?
Hindi! Kilala ko siya! Siya siya si Fiona Stonehurst.
Ang sakit ng ulo. Ay, nako.
Bakit ka ba tawa ng tawa? Ano ka nang babanasan?
Why? Is there something wrong with being
Single na. Naglandian pa sa harapan.
Sorry to interrupt your sweet moment. But, shall we start?
Ay, sige po, go. Moments daw.
Alam mo yung gustong-gusto ko yung nagtatanga-tangan si Amy pero napapangiti niya si Zeke. Alam mo yun? Dahil sa katangahan niya kaya siya minamahal ni Zeke. Ano, selos ka ngayon. Selos ka. Wala ka, lagot ka.
Mga dolly dolls ko.
Hi, Amy. That's your desk over there. Have a seat.
Uy, bakit naman ganito yung upuan ko? Parang
Monoblock.
Jerusalem.
Amy, I threw out all of your trash. I wanted to make it look a little more professional. I dislike messy workplaces, don't you?
Lagot ka kay Zeke.
Dito ka na magtatrabaho? Bakit ang dami namang bakanting opisina?
Well, I thought it would be nice if we could all work together in one space. Or I can make sure na tama ginagawa mo.
Alam mo yung effective yung artista kapag naiinis ka dun sa character niya when it comes to being a kontrabida or the third party or the third something of a love team or love story ba yun? Basta ganon. Kasi naiinis ako kay... Oh, ito na yung first warning sa kanya.
You'll be dead soon, Amy Roswell. Yeah, Jane. Sino ba itong si Yaji na to? Bakit alam niyo mamamatay ako?
Tanga talaga.
Kaya ka siya.
Manghuhula.
Hello, baka mamaya. Sino ba ito ng kwarto? Nakakilawat naman.
So, is Ezekiel coming?
No.
Hindi ko alam. You should have asked him, not me. Bitch.
He's your husband. You should know.
What the fuck happened here? And what the hell are you doing here?
Excuse me?
The last time I was here, everything was pink, and it was filled with dolls.
Yeah.
Si yung na yung may kawa. Amy ba niya yung please?
Look, Ezekiel. I'm sorry, but you don't have a choice. I'm your partner now. In fact, I supply the toys to your company.
I did not agree to that. In fact, I don't like you working with my wife.
Well, your wife doesn't seem to have a problem working with me. Right? Amy?
Ay, nako.
See, and in fact, pretty sure I did you guys a favor. I mean, look at this place. I know you like things executive looking.
Stop acting like you know what I want. What I don't like is how you changed what my wife did. Let's go.
Wait. Kung uuwi kayo, can I hitch a ride with you guys? My car broke down kasi.
No.
Sige.
Nakakaawa naman kasi si Fiona eh, di ba?
Napakabait nito.
Napakabait
Napakabait
siya,
ni
tapos
Amy.
masaya
Tapos
siya.
tanga-tanga. Ay, nako. Amy.
Kaya ganyan kapangit yung attitude niya kasi walang magandang nangyayari sa kanya.
Agree. Sa true.
Dapat hindi umiyak.
Sa true lang.
Kung ano-ano pa yung bagong niya dito sa office eh.
Fine.
Great. Maybe you want to get some food on the way home, Ezekiel?
Are you hungry?
Yeah, honestly, I'm starving.
What?
But
I'm asking you. Are you hungry?
Hindi ako gutom dong.
Okay, let's go then.
Wait, but I said I'm starving.
The hell I care.
Ano nga ba naman pake?
Zeke! Zeke! Ma-drive-thru na lang tayo para kay Fiona kasi kawawa naman siya. Mukha siyang gutom na gutom.
I'm starving.
Ay, nako, Fiona. Ang ganda-ganda. Masarap mong kutosan.
This meeting is exclusively for important matters.
This meeting is about the toy industry, which I'm helping your wife with, Ezekiel.
Wife. Are you sure you're okay working with Fiona?
Okay lang.
Nakakainis lang siya kasi tinapon niya yung iba kong talitas eh.
Pero kasi sabi dun sa book na nabasa ko, be professional daw, kaya okay lang.
Okay then.
Zeke, saan ka nga pala pumunta kanina bago ka bumalik ng office?
Lamberge and I just dealt with some business matters. How about you? I saw your face earlier when I entered the office. You seem to be in deep thought. Is something bothering you?
Oo nga, no. Tama yung sinabi ni Joseph na pure English
Wala, may...
yung mostly ng lines niya dito.
About?
Nag-English si Joseph, really. Pero nagtatagalog kasi talaga siya. Tagalog kasi yung first language niya. Ang gwapo niya pa rin nag-English.
Kilala kung sino siya. Ang cute pala ng pangalan ni Yanji.
It's about the Philippines. Gusto kong tulungan pumunta ng Pilipinas.
Thank you. Hello ka sa AV.
So boring. If I were a customer, I wouldn't buy these.
Hindi ka naman customer eh.
Tama. Tama naman.
Tingnan mo nga kung boring. Yung mga pinili ko talagang design, mysterious yung itsura. Parang si Zeke.
Mahal mo na yung tao kapag madalas mo na siyang ikumpara o ihalin tulad sa mga bagay-bagay.
Please.
They're interesting.
Ezekiel, I think you should take a look at these for consideration.
Nakasibangot.
Ala! Parang a-attend ng Halloween party yung mga manika na yan ah.
Agree.
You know what? I prefer my wife's choice.
Bakit niya ako pinapadala ng daily host?
Totoo, daily horoscope talaga.
Kuya.
Pam-pam naman itong si ano. Fiona eh.
You can't. My wife and I have a date. We're going to have lunch at her mother's place.
Yay! Miss ko na si Mommy!
Let's go.
Enjoy.
2-0.
Sandali lang ha. Ito na yung juice. Eto. Mommy! What, baby? See? Buti nipatpat ka ulit dito.
Good afternoon po, madam.
Hala.
Mami, at dami niyo po palang customer. Tulungan na po namin kayo magtinda ni Dodong. Ha? Talaga? Okay lang? Oo naman.
What?
Sabi kakain lang eh.
Wait, ikaw taga-ihaw, tapos ako taga-kuha ng order. Ayaw mo? Okay, sige. Ikaw na lang taga-kuha ng order, tapos ako na lang taga-ihaw.
Nice. Ang gwapo naman ng taga-ihaw. Alam niyo, naaamoy ko yung
Sige, ako na. Ako na lang.
bango ni Joseph.
Kumuha ka na ng order para maubusan natin itong tignan. Dali. Na.
Student pala eh. Wala, hindi ganyan. Ganun lang, oh. Ay, kuya, ikaw. Gusto mo avail? Ilan? Tatlo? Lima naman sa akin. Kuya. Thank you pa.
Hi, Ate Amy!
Uy, Grace! Parang ngayon na kita nakita ulit, ha?
Na-busy po kasi sa school, ate. Last po natin kita. Single pa po kayo, ah. Pabili po ng 5 barbecue.
Ay, okay, sige. 5 barbecue. Dong, 5 barbecue daw!
Nakakatawa. Naubos nila yung tinda. 4 na barbecue, 5 barbecue. Tingnan niyo yung tsura niya. Grabe, ang hot ni Joseph Marco. Oh my God. Alam nyo, siya talaga yung first na ina-idolize ko, na hinabol-habol ko kung saan man. And sobrang gwapo niya. Grabe, grabe.
Momo, nakikita mo ba yung nakikita ko?
Malamang, hindi ako bulag.
Tama. Alam mo, para akong si Ami Sile. Ganyan siguro yung nangyari sa akin kapag may nililigaw sa akin.
Uy, ba't kayo nandito? Di ba dapat nasa opisina kayo? Ay, instant date namin to ni Dong. Di ba, Dong?
Yeah.
Date?
Uy, sabay tayo, Momo. Mukhang soulmate talaga tayo.
Soulmate mo mukha
mo. Because I'm far away.
Wife, are you awake? I feel like you are hiding something from me.
Hala? Alam mo na yung tungkol sa Last Will and Testament?
Yes, but not that. I was beginning to think you were getting threats.
Threats?
Get some rest.
Kaloka.
Di mo lang ito ako. Tayo. Ba't di ka natakot, Zeke?
Gusto ko talaga yung humor ni Amy. Pero, kala mo,
Ay, tawag ko nga.
grabe. Gusto ko yung... May love team si Mr.
Urgent lang
Fern.
po. Kailangan mapirmahan to ni Mr. Roswell as.
Oh God, feeling ko ito yung nakikita ni Amy na halikan ni Fiona si Zeke.
We need to talk about us.
There's no us.
I swear, I never wanted to hurt you.
Then why did you?
Because someone told me to. Actually, no. Someone actually threatened me to. Music. Wait. Please. I love you, and I swear, I never intended to hurt you. You have to believe me.
Get the fuck out of my life.
Do you really love Amy more than me?
Are you a
Yes.
fool? Stop comparing yourself to my wife. I love her. You are nothing.
You love her? Then maybe she should know you're a mafia boss. What will she think, Kaya? You think she's gonna accept it?
Of course.
I doubt it. Because no one will accept the real Ezekiel. Only I will love you.
Say a fucking word and I'll kill you.
Okay. I won't say a word. But only if you do something for me.
I don't take orders from anyone.
You don't have a choice, Ezekiel. Zeke?
Shit. Wife,
Oh my God. Ang bilis nun, no?
Sorry, sister.
wife, let me explain. Explain.
Just let me go.
Stay. Wait. Listen.
Just let me go!
Patay ka ngayon, Fiona. Nakakagigil ka, girl.
Zeke?
Shit.
Naguguluhan ako, guys. Ano ba itong nararamdaman ko? Bakit ako nasasaktan?
Oh.
Ano bang meron? Bakit
Pinakilig tayo ng mga nakarang episodes, tapos ngayon sasaktan tayo dahil sa Fiona na yan.
Pakiramdam ko parang gusto kong manakit.
Saktan mo
Sa
lang si
mga
Fiona.
tao. Aray!
Natatawa ako.
Ezekiel is mine. Stupid girl.
Pinapangka mo ko Anong tinatawa-tawa?
You're just such a stupid girl.
Kala mo sino yung stupid girl na tinatawag mo ngayon? Like, yung gigil ko for this episode is nakakainis, nakakagigil. Deserve mo yung suntok ni Amy Fiona. Like, kasi naman ba't mo hinalikan yung asawa niya, diba? And, yun. I think this is the end of my reaction video for episode 11. So, see you on my next vlog. Bye!